Hello, wherever you are, and welcome back to my brain-friendly tools series. Today we have a look into the ABC envelope method. And this method enriches learning by fostering deeper engagement with topics. It promotes deep processing, improving retention and comprehension through exploring components individually and in relation to each other. So consistent practice helps establish a solid knowledge foundation and allows connections between new and existing information, like your knowledge net, and making this strategy effective for deepening the overall learning process. So let's get started.
ABC envelope is a variant of the ABC list. Vera F. Birkenbihl once put an ABC list she had created in an envelope. Other ABCs on the same topic were added unread. After a while, she put her lists next to each other and compared them, hence the name, the envelope method. You write a quick ABC list at least once a day on a chosen topic, but don't read it, just put it in an envelope straight away. So write it and put it away. As this is done in the here and now, very little of it goes into long-term memory the first few times. Only when you bring the lists together and compare them do you get an overview and you get a feeling for the development that has taken place. The ABC envelope method enables us to explore a topic better. We go into depth, and deep processing means learning better, as we know. After several times, you know more about a topic than at the beginning. If you compare the lists with each other, you activate a wealth of knowledge in your inner archive. The same method also works with the CAWA envelope. Both methods help you to think through important topics in much more depth than would normally be possible. You only have to invest a few minutes a day. Our mind continues to work unconsciously and always produces spectacular results. Experience has shown that you often want to sort the sheets. In order to be able to follow the development of certain trains of thought, it has proved useful in practice to number the sheets consecutively. It is simply quicker and easier to sort everything than if it is sorted by date.
We encourage you to try it out and train as much as possible with this ABC envelope method to get deeper knowledge on a subject. And if you like this video, please do not forget to click like and subscribe, as there is much more to come.